morning, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Prisha Kashyap Patel. I am studying second standard. Today I am telling today's day and date. Today's day is Tuesday and today's date is 22 July 2025. Thank you and have a great day ahead.
A good thought can inspire an entire day. I request Disha Targat to present thought of the day.
Good morning, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, teachers and all my dear friends. Today, my name is Disha Shraddha from grade 5th. Today's thought of the day is the journey of 1,000 miles begins step by step. Meaning, for the targets we should achieve, we should work step by step. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Thank you, Disha. Now let's make our language richer by learning a new word today. I request Anvi Mehta to share today's vocabulary of the day.
Morning, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, teachers and all my dear friends. Myself, Anvi Mehta, standing before you to tell today's word of the day. Today's word of the day is unique. I repeat my word, unique. I spell my word, U-N-I-Q-U-E, unique, meaning being one of its kind, unlike anything else. Sentence. Students with unique qualities will be selected for the award. Thank you and have a fabulous day ahead.
Let's make our conversation more smarter by learning a new idiom. I request Saira Suryavanshi to share today's idiom of the day.
Good morning, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Saira Suryavanshi from grade 5th. Today I am going to tell today's idiom of the day. Today's idiom of the day is don't judge a book by its cover. Meaning, don't judge people or think by appearance. Sentence. Don't judge a book by its cover. Every person has a story and value that we may not see first. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Day of Pratham Jaju 5th standard, Sanskruti Suryavanshi 6th standard, Pranjal Jain 5th standard. Let's celebrate their birthday by singing happy birthday song.
Sir, Vice Principal Sir, teachers and all my dear friends. Today is a very special day for me, my birthday. But what makes it truly special is your love, blessings and kind wishes received from you all. Let me share a small poem with you. Thank you for the love you give. It teaches me the way to live. With every smile, hug and cheer, you made my birthday full of cheer. I promise to keep working hard, be kind and making you all proud. Once again, thank you for making my birthday truly unforgettable.
Good morning, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Sanskruti Rajendra Suryavanshi from Standard 6. Thank you for your sweet wishes, song and love. You made my birthday full of joy and smile. I would like to express my gratitude with a small poem. With cheers and claps you made me glad. Your lovely wishes made me thrill. You are a reason I smile all day. Thank you is all I can say. A lot of love and thanks again. Good morning, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, teachers and all my dear friends. Today, on the occasion of my birthday, I, Pranjal Jain from grade 5th, would like to share a gratitude. Your warm wishes and gratitude mind made my day special. And school memories fine. Thank you once again.